to my channel. Welcome to my first vlog. I thought I'll do a little vlog to show you a day in my life. So yeah, oh my god, it looks so bad right now. Today's a very special day because it's our anniversary, so we're gonna go out for lunch. So we're going out to celebrate, so I thought I'll bring you with me. And yeah, let's put on some makeup. Okay, just a very quick makeup of the day. I did a pinkish look with my Naked Cherry palette, and I have these cute earrings from Yesta. I have my face on now. Actually, we're running a little late, so we kind of gotta go. Bob, you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
My husband and I love pizza, and we're always looking for new pizza places to try. But our all-time favorite is Proof Pizza, and we've been here like 10 times, and the pizzas are always so good. We ordered 2 large pizzas to share, and as usual I ordered the black truffle pizza. It's full of mushrooms and a mushroom sauce, cheese, and of course truffle paste. It's the best. And Sid ordered the 4 cheese pizza, which was amazing as well. It's like a cheesy overload and we love it. Ugh, I'm getting hungry just talking about it.
Okay, so we finished lunch and we wanted to get dessert, so we came to this place called Foo Foo, and it looked really good on Instagram, so I'm excited. So we ordered the apple strudel with mango black pepper ice cream, and we also have creme brulee with prune compote or something like that. Okay, so we finished lunch, we finished dessert, we're gonna go home now. Had a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's go home. Okay, so we got home, finally showered, and changed into my comfy oversized t-shirt. We're gonna eat dinner soon. We're still kind of full though from lunch. And then we're just going to play PS4 and then watch something on Netflix, I guess. So yeah. In case you guys are wondering how come we went out today, it's because basically the coronavirus cases here are quite minimal now. So everything is pretty much back to normal, but we have to practice social distancing and wear masks. So yeah, but everything was good, and before you enter any restaurant or any shops, we had to scan like a QR code. Oh yeah, and we also had to scan temperature. So I think that's pretty good. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But yeah, let me know if you want to see more vlogs, and yeah. I guess I'll see you next week. Bye.